Hello guys, this is Londa TV. I am on train to the last stop. We are almost there. It's evening time. I decided today to show you this last stop. Remember the series of stations. I was sitting in the wagon with some family that side bar. Because of the key, they don't want to show more. Outside looks like this. It's evening. We are almost on the station. Yeah, all of this wagon. There's one people there, one someone there. For those of you who know my channel on the TV, guys, I'm on this train. You can see everybody are getting off. See? And then you can go back again. See? The light is off from the train. And everybody's are going this way. Residential area is this side here. It's my first time on this station, and this is the last stop. You can see the train is going back to downtown, different areas. Yeah, I just came with this train. The area is quiet. It's evening time, about 8 evening. I wanted to show you guys this station, how it looks like, and we go back to downtown. It's the moon. You can see the moon there. Londa TV, guys. And this residential area is closer to the station. They have car parking, almost different communities they look like. If you passing by to my channel, subscribe and share the video. Enjoy watching my videos. The train looks like this. We have nice benches. Yeah. Last station. This is the one who I'm gonna take over. See? Yeah. About 2 minutes or 25 minutes, I can see this train is taking off. This one. Yeah. And those drivers are talking about me, that they saw me like a last person on the last wagon, so I didn't like it. It's the same train. It's about 30 minutes it's going back. Yeah. What's up, Lunda? Hello everyone, Lunda TV. I'm on this station. I can see the driver. I'm not comfortable. Let me show you around the station how it looks like, and we will catch up with this train. It's about 10 minutes. Yeah, guys, last station of this metro. Yeah, it looks like this. And people are waiting to take one of them. I can see the door is opening this side, but it says at the side 12 minutes, and this side here 22. So I will get information. We are going to exit. I can see the buildings there. One building there, and it's like main centrum or shop center this side here. Look at that. And this There's the exit. It looks like this. Information. Let me take you out and we call it for today. Those machines we pay. Escalator. They have a lift that side. Yeah. I see a small shop here, this side here. See, from the station, looks like this. Lunda TV. Do you like it? Small shop here, selling balloons, plastic balls. Yeah. Some bags inside there. It's like closing up shop center. They have a gym at the side there. Yeah, residential area looks like this. There people live at the side. And let's go in and we take the stairs. Yeah guys, it's evening. Let me take you at the site. I hope you enjoyed the video. The last station of this train. You can take even the buses at the site. You take the stairs. Okay. If you want to get some information asking about the train's doors are not opening. Look at this space. Yeah. Taking stairs down here, guys. And most of communities, they always close 8, 6:30 because of robbery. I can see youth. It's like a shop center, it's closed. Remember the name of that shop there, the green one. I told you it's everywhere. We have pigeons, guys. Yeah. The food market and the gym up there. It says bus station there. It's a little bit of cold. Yeah. Family around. I have some minutes to catch up with the train and go back. Yeah, this is the main shop center. There's a small restaurant there. We call them a kiosk. And we have bus station there. And this side too, we have another bus station there. Guys, let me take you this side and we call it for today maybe. Yeah. You can see there's two food market, or I call it another one here, different company. It's not cheap, but they're competing themselves. Many food market in Stockholm. We have other food, people call them halal. See there? Bus station there. In a residential area there. Yeah. Let me take you this side and find out. We have another building there, like residential area. So quiet. People are gone home. Library. I can see books. Lunda, this community is small. You can tell. Look at that. And this is shop center of this community. You come with the train, catch up with the bus. It can take you out the area. Look at this. Nice flowers. And we have youth smoking in this country like normal. Young people smoke a lot. And women in this country, they smoke. When I was in Africa, I told you guys, I was curious seeing people like ladies smoking or driving car. It was like, how? Okay. I was very curious because tradition in Africa and the cultures, I don't think so that the woman can smoke, drive car. But in Europe we are used to because we see them all the time. And for those who are asking Lunda when you will travel to Africa, guys, I told you many times I can't buy a ticket because it's very expensive, and I'm waiting for YouTube. Yeah, I can see like residential area like this. There's like a tunnel here. You see, guys, I just come from there, and people live around here. Lunda TV. I hope you enjoy my videos, guys. Keep supporting me. And I was telling you guys about going back to Africa. It's because about internet. If they have internet or not, how to upload my video on YouTube, many things. Enjoy this video, guys, and we will call it for today soon. Let me take you this side here.